is so big. I had to take my heels off and I had to call in reinforcements. There he is, guys.
What's going on, y'all? What's up, baby?
All right, we are at 12705 Longwater Drive in Woodmore, Maryland. And this house does not disappoint. This is love
And real estate.
Hey, we're the Doppos. We're married, have a family, and run a company together. We help people every day figure out this really hard and expensive thing called real estate and home ownership. Honestly, it's because buying a home was hard for us, so we became big nerds about it and wanted to explore everything about real estate and finance and how it all works. So let's see what we can learn today.
Alrighty.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Massive foyer. We're not gonna call it a foyer. We're gonna call it a foyer, and for that reason is because we have a half grand staircase that walks gorgeously into your family room. Now, there is a watch your step moment here. It's literally written on the wood, and this is natural wood throughout, but it's literally watch your step. And if you have to put watch your step inside the house, that lets you know how big your house is. Look at this 2-story great room. Huge. Hello. So much space. The ceilings are massive, and it's also anchored with a, my goodness, what is that? That is a fan, a ceiling fan. The simplest things just escaped me. Now we are inside of our gorgeous kitchen. There are so many features to get started. Okay, so first we are anchored with Bosch and Sub-Zero appliances. We also have a Thermador, a Thermador range as well. Now, some really interesting things that are happening. This is the definition of discreet. Now, a drawer. No, ma'am, no, it is not a drawer. This is a refrigerated drawer, and there are 2 of them. It can be a warmer, but it also can be a cooler. These are both set to cool. And then we also have 2 sinks. This is our pot filler sink. So traditionally you'll see a pot filler right there on that wall there, right above our range, but this is our pot filler sink. And then anchored with our discreetly in cabinet fridge and freezer. And it is in here as well. Hello. So much space for your snacks and your knickknacks. For me personally right now, food pouches, because I have a little person. All sorts of things. Let's see if there's more. Is there more? Hey! More! So much refrigeration. My goodness. All through your island. Is there more? Now I'm like looking for it now. Is it? Oh, these are just really great cabinets. Okay, yeah, that's okay. I think we got through all the refrigeration. Okay, gorgeous house and kitchen. Granite countertops, double sink as well, and then plenty of space for your stools. This is more of your breakfast, informal dining, which bleeds directly as you are walking away from me. The room that you're standing in right now, this would be more of your morning room. Let me come and join you for a second. So this will be your morning room right here. This is where informal meals will happen. This is where breakfast, this is when we're getting the folks ready for school, or the folks are getting themselves ready for school. This is informal meals. This is where they happen, okay? Now, we have another room, undefined, but I'm gonna take you to it, okay? So we have another kind of standing space. I like to call this like your mud room, and I believe this bleeds into your garage spaces. Nope, that is just a closet with 2 doors. It's this one. It's this one for sure. Yep. Which takes you into, I'm gonna let you just walk right on in, which takes you into 3-car garage. So this would be your mud room. So think of all the furniture and design elements you could put on these two walls, but then also it takes you into the half bath. And then this is also your laundry room. I'll have you take a moment to look at those as well. Lovely. So lovely. All right, I'm gonna take you around. There's a few rooms we haven't hit yet, okay? So now we're gonna go into our formal dining room that hits right off of the kitchen. Right off of the kitchen, okay? And then we're gonna walk through, past the foyer, double doors, coat closets, all the things. And we're gonna go directly into our formal living room. And it has our fireplace, gas fireplace. And the majority of the rooms in this home are anchored with these gorgeous bay windows. Now, come on across, we have an office. Gorgeous, beautiful office. And we're just gonna swing around here so you can get the scale of this bad boy. With custom cabinetry throughout. Look at that mahogany. Just gorgeous, beautiful. Oh my goodness, love it. Real wood throughout, and I'm gonna take you to the solarium, which, and every single corner has plantation shutters. Do you hear that echo as I speak? Beautiful. And then I'm gonna take you upstairs. Now, should I take you upstairs through the main? Let's go, let's enjoy that stairwell. So we're gonna go upstairs. This house is big, guys. 10,000 square feet of fabulosity. Oh, the things that matter. So right here, look at this landing. Look at how much space. There's a moment for furniture. There's all sorts of things, but then also look at the catwalk. Look at all that space. Can you imagine the holiday season? Your Christmas tree, all the things, looking down over your guests and family, or prom moments. So beautiful. I'm gonna take you to the secondary bedrooms. We're gonna start on over here. Like I said, every single room has these octagonal windows, bay. So beautiful, and they look over this huge backyard. We're sitting on over an acre in backyard space, but I'm gonna take you downstairs and Adie's gonna take you onto the patio soon. Okay, so let's come on over. Now we are inside of our Jack and Jill bathroom, which is his and hers, which has 2 vanities. It is also anchored with a shower and a tub with jets. This would be the secondary bathroom for the children. Not sure why children get jets in their tub, but when you're buying on this scale, a lot of things are possible. All right, so let's go on down to that catwalk. I don't have my heels on, but this is a catwalk moment. Carlos, cue the music. Ta 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 ta. This is the most comfortable catwalk ever. And stop. All right, come on. Into, like I said, bay windows, octagonal, gorgeous, big, huge, and these rooms are anchored with their own bathroom. Now, I wanna make something very clear. Every single bedroom, every single true bedroom in this household has their own ensuite or attaches to a bathroom. So for instance, the bathrooms on the end of the hallway, those were Jack and Jill. So those led into a collective shared bathroom. These actually have their own private ensuite. Go ahead and take a look at that. Come on in. Right across the hall, there's another massive secondary bedroom. with its own private ensuite. And I haven't brought enough attention, but once you take a look at that bathroom, I'm also going to tell you to take a look at this closet space as well. Honestly, I believe the closet space is worth paying attention to. This is our secondary bedroom and the closet space is pretty well done. Are you ready for this owner suite? Now this owner suite is so big that it had a keypad on it. This is an apartment. All right, come on in. Has 3 closets, 1 walk-in here. And look at our owner suite with a sitting room, solarium paired with it. Has 3 walk-in closets technically. Check out this spa-like bathroom. This is your oasis. I'm not sure what this area is for, but my mind is imagining a number of things. One, there's a laundry chute right here. But also I see an opportunity for mirrors. I see mirrors as a moment to check yourself out full body. This is a sauna shower, gorgeous. And your jacuzzi soaking tub with jets. This thing is massive. I'm gonna fall. That's how big it is, with 2 separate vanities. We can't ever be mad at a separate vanity moment. Now I'm gonna take you to AD. I'm gonna take you down the back stairs because it's important. Can you imagine coming home? You pull your car into the garage and you just go straight up the back stairs to your bedroom. We're gonna pass through this kitchen one more time, okay? I'm gonna pass through this kitchen one more time, just to acknowledge all the fabulosity, watching my step, okay? And then I'm gonna pass you on over to my bestie, my love, Mr. AD.
What's up, people? Let's go. Let's check out this beautiful basement. All right, you're in a 10,000 square feet home, you gotta have a gym in your home. So right here, this flex space, this is where I will put the gym. However, you can make it whatever you want, but I'm just giving you ideas. And then as we flow through this hallway, we're greeted with this theater room. Easily, I think you can fit 8 theater chairs in here, just depending on the configuration that you have, but lots of movie nights are gonna be done here. And I'm gonna take you through our guest room, right? We have a guest room here. You know, if you have that guest or that wants some privacy, some seclusion, it also has its own ensuite bathroom. All right, if somebody has too good of a time, so you can put them as well. And then keep following me. We're coming through the hallway. I love this family room right here. A lot of natural light has been flooded here. This is where I will put my TV, because you already have all your hookups here. And then we have this other flex space. Over here at your powder room, you do not have to go upstairs. We have a powder room here. And this is just another flex space, right? It can be used for the kids, it could be a study, whatever the mind wants to do. And then my favorite part, we got a bar, y'all. NFL, NBA, hockey, tennis, soccer, whatever it is. This is your spot, right? We're talking about 6 chairs. You can put your TV here, you can put your bar here. It's already wired and hooked up. But I really gotta show you this exterior of the home. I mean, we're talking about acres. We're talking about acres. Come see this. Oh, what's up, Amanda? We got a patio already set up. We got a hot tub machine. I mean, you still have acres to be able to do as you please. You could put a basketball court. You could put a pool.
You can put a pool.
I mean, it's endless.
You could put a really big pool. I mean, wow. Wow.
And you still get that privacy and seclusion. I love that we have mature trees here.
Yes.
Right?
Mature trees. Yes.
Correct.
I love that. Not immature trees. Oh my gosh, now, how much is this house, AD?
This is $1.699 million.
So this is $1.7 million.
1.7.
How many bedrooms did you count? Because the listing says 5 bedrooms, but I felt like there were 7.
I only counted one in the basement.
There were 2.
In the basement?
There were 2 in the basement. So there was the movie theater.
Yes.
Then it was like a bonus room that didn't have a closet.
I see what you're
But someone could easily set that up as a bedroom.
Sure.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely. No, this is luxury living.
Yeah, at its finest.
At its finest. Located in one of the most premium zip codes in Prince George's County. This is the Beverly Hills, located in Woodmore, South. Behind the gate style, inside of a gated golf course community. It is gorgeous. Only the most exclusive can have access to here. All right, how do they find out more about this house, AD?
Yes, just click on the description box below and you can actually click the link and you get everything you need to know about 12705.
There it is, Longwater. So many listings you can't even remember them all, right? Oh my goodness, we've had so much fun with you guys today. This is a really big house. Thank you so much for staying with us through the entirety of the tour. If you have comments, go ahead and share. I would love to hear it. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because that's what keeps us going, continuing to make fantastic videos. It has been fantastic hanging with you, and it was fun having you with me today.
Yeah, it's good coming out and seeing y'all.
Yes. Well, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And until next time, bye.